Every successful wood restoration begins with proper preparation. Taking the time to prepare the wood correctly helps create a strong, long-lasting restoration. The first step is removing all loose, deteriorated, and decayed wood. Every damaged area is carefully cleaned out until only solid, sound wood remains. This creates a clean foundation for the restoration system. Once the damaged wood has been removed, the entire area is cleaned using WRP Bio Cleaner. Bio Cleaner helps remove dirt, contaminants, mold, mildew, and other organic buildup that can interfere with the restoration process. A clean surface allows the following products to perform at their best. After the wood has been cleaned and allowed to dry, Genics CUB is applied to the exposed wood. Genics CUB is designed to help protect the remaining wood before the restoration continues. Applying it thoroughly helps treat the prepared wood before rebuilding begins. The final preparation step is installing Cobra Rods in key areas of the damaged wood. Cobra Rods help protect vulnerable areas and become an important part of the complete WRP Wood Restoration System. With the preparation complete, the wood is now clean, protected, and ready for the next stage of the restoration process, where the WRP consolidant and epoxy system will permanently rebuild the damaged area.